Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Suicidal inhibitors and examples. So first one is the allopurinol. Allopurinol, it includes the enzymes xanthine oxidase. Aspirin, it is the cyclooxygenase. Then comes the 5-fluorouracil. 5-fluorouracil is a thymidylate. This is synthase, thymidylate synthase. Then comes the penicillin. Penicillin is transpeptidase. So aspirin is cyclooxygenase, allopurinol xanthine oxidase. 5-fluorouracil is thymidylate synthase. Penicillin is transpeptidase. So penicillin is transpeptidase. And DFMO stands for it is for the ornithine decarboxylase. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.